Tech is in chaos right now. There are layoffs happening everywhere, AI taking over jobs, and everyone's panicking about what's next, except for those who have these 5 high-paying skills. So I was a senior program manager at Figma and then coached PMs to land dream roles for 2 years. And I analyzed 1,300 job postings from companies like Meta, Amazon, and hundreds of startups. And I found that these 5 skills keep showing up everywhere. And they're the ones that will make you irreplaceable even at this new tech era. And if we haven't met, my name is Jean. I've pivoted my career over 7 times, 5x my salary, and landed at companies like LinkedIn, Meta, and Figma without having the perfect background. So let's break down what hiring managers are actually looking for right now. Number 1, influence. This is the single most important skill for leaders, program managers, and honestly, every single role. When I worked in tech, I needed to have influence to drive business outcomes, whether that's getting buy-in, pushing back on requests, or motivating teams to get on board. People think that you need the title of a leader to have influence, but that's just not true. This is a skill that I've demonstrated in every interview, regardless of not having the PM title, and I still landed strategic jobs at LinkedIn, Pinterest, Figma, and more. And by the way, if you want the exact resume template that I use to position myself for these roles, I'm giving it away for free. My students have used it to land interviews at places like Meta, Amazon, and Microsoft. So click the first link in the description to grab it. 2, collaboration. Every job has a human component. You are literally working with people, and guess who's hiring? People. So naturally, hiring managers want to hire people who they like and can work well with others. When I was interviewing at LinkedIn, I talked about how I thrived when working cross-functionally, and it's something that I did daily at Pinterest. I partner with go-to-market leaders, help product prioritize features, and work directly with sales teams to make sure that our clients are getting the most value. And this is a kind of collaboration LinkedIn was exactly looking for. Skill 3, EQ. I said it earlier, people hire people. So your soft skills are extremely important. And every single client that got hired, they had high EQ, which stands for emotional intelligence. It's someone who knows how to empathize, show flexibility, and think creatively to problem solve. When I interviewed at Figma, I talked about how I dealt with a really difficult colleague who was basically telling me to stay in my lane. So I set up a one-on-one call with him to understand his frustrations. I showed a bit of empathy, and that created a dialogue for how I can best support him and allowed me to build trust that was necessary for us to work better together. Skill 4, AI literacy. I'd be remiss if I did not talk about AI and how it's shaping the future of work right now. And I'm not talking about using ChatGPT as a chatbot, but using it to do real, meaningful work. Job postings that require AI literacy grew 70% year over year. And I heard this directly from LinkedIn's chief economist during AI at Workday. And leaders are paying attention. 71% of them said that they would choose AI skills over years of experience. So here's how you can show it. You can use AI to analyze data, draft communication, automate reminders. You want to bring receipts to interviews. Maybe that's a 60-second screen share of a workflow, a simple SOP, or a mini AI prompt library. Tell the story, what you built, why you built it, and the measurable result. And if you want a step-by-step system to become an AI-driven project manager, I got you. I will drop the perfect course for you below. Skill 5, adaptability. This is the single common denominator in every top performer, and I've seen this play out time and time again across my 10 years in tech. Because here's the thing, nothing will ever go according to plan. Plans will have holes, timelines will slip, priorities will change. But the ones who can thrive are the ones that stay calm and bring clarity to chaos, because this will make you golden. I remember working with a teammate who really struggled with this because whenever things changed, she got really frustrated and was slow to pivot. And this is kind of a red flag because leaders need you to reshuffle, especially as more important things come up. Sometimes you need to be able to drop what you're doing to focus on more urgent things. And the ones who can roll with the punches, create a plan, rally the right people, stay focused are the ones who will thrive literally in any role, because you are a special breed of unicorn who can stay calm and get things done, because not everyone is built for this. Having these 5 skills on your resume is just step 1, but many tech candidates still stay jobless because they can't translate their background into language that will get them hired. So if you want a high-paying tech role without mass applying, without burning out, click the first link in the description below for my free $1 Million Resume template. It's the same one that students have used to land offers at Amazon, Google, Meta, and more. Or don't. It's entirely up to you. I'll see you in the next one.